Now, picture Mark, who runs a landscaping company. He's using Jobber. When a new lead comes in, he can quickly schedule an on-site quote directly from his phone. His team receives their daily schedules on their own devices, complete with maps and job details. Once the work is done, they can generate an invoice on the spot, even accept payment in the field. Back in the office, or wherever Mark happens to be, that invoice seamlessly syncs with his QuickBooks for accounting. See the difference in those scenarios? Both Sarah and Mark likely need to manage their finances effectively, which is where QuickBooks shines. But Sarah's workflow is clunky and time-consuming, especially when it comes to the day-to-day operations of her field service business. Mark, on the other hand, has a system in place that's built specifically for the unique challenges of managing a mobile workforce and service-based tasks. So, to answer our initial question directly, no, Jobber and QuickBooks are not the same thing. While they can work incredibly well together, they serve different primary purposes. Think of QuickBooks as your robust financial hub, the place where all your income and expenses are tracked, where you manage your chart of accounts, run financial reports, and handle payroll. It's the backbone of your business's financial health. Jobber, on the other hand, is a field service management software. Its core focus is on streamlining the operational side of your business. This includes things like scheduling jobs and dispatching technicians, managing client information, generating quotes and invoices efficiently, tracking time and expenses for specific jobs, and even handling customer communication. It's designed to take the chaos out of managing a mobile workforce and the various stages of a service job lifecycle. Let's break down the key areas where they differ and where they complement each other. Core functionality: QuickBooks, primarily an accounting software. It excels at managing your chart of accounts, bank reconciliations, accounts payable and receivable, financial reporting, like profit and loss statements and balance sheets, and often payroll. While some versions might have basic invoicing features, they generally lack the robust scheduling, dispatching, and job management capabilities needed for field service businesses. Jobber, primarily a field service management software. Its strengths lie in managing the entire service workflow, from the initial customer inquiry to the final payment. This includes scheduling, dispatching, quoting, invoicing optimized for service work, customer relationship management, CRM, features tailored for service businesses, time tracking for jobs, and often integrations with payment processors for easy in-field payments. Target audience: QuickBooks, designed for a broad range of businesses across various industries. Any business that needs to track its finances can benefit from QuickBooks. Jobber, specifically built for businesses that operate in the field service industry. This includes HVAC technicians, plumbers, electricians, landscapers, cleaners, contractors, and many other trades that involve sending teams out to customer locations. Integration: this is where the magic often happens. Jobber is designed to integrate seamlessly with QuickBooks, usually QuickBooks Online, but sometimes desktop versions as well. This integration allows the two platforms to talk to each other. When you create an invoice in Jobber and mark it as sent or paid, that information can automatically sync over to your QuickBooks account. This eliminates the need for double data entry, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. Similarly, customer information can often be synced between the two platforms. Specific features: a deeper dive. To really understand the difference, let's look at some specific features and how each platform handles them. Scheduling and dispatching. Jobber offers robust scheduling tools with calendar views, drag-and-drop functionality, technician availability tracking, and the ability to assign jobs to specific team members. It often includes features for optimizing routes and sending notifications to technicians about their schedules. QuickBooks generally lacks these features. Quoting and estimating. Jobber allows you to create professional-looking quotes with line items for services and materials. You can often save service packages and quickly generate estimates in the field. QuickBooks has some invoicing capabilities that can be adapted for quotes, but it's not as streamlined for service-based businesses with potentially complex pricing structures. Invoicing. Both platforms handle invoicing, but Jobber's invoicing is often tailored for service work, allowing for easy inclusion of job details, time logs, and even photos. It often integrates with payment processors for easy online or in-field payments. QuickBooks focuses on generating financial invoices for goods or services rendered. Customer relationship management, CRM. Jobber typically includes CRM features designed for managing service clients, such as storing contact information, tracking communication history, and keeping notes on past jobs. While QuickBooks can store customer information for invoicing, it doesn't offer the same level of relationship management tools. Time tracking. Jobber often has built-in time tracking features that allow technicians to log their hours spent on specific jobs, which can then be easily added to invoices. QuickBooks might have basic time tracking for payroll purposes, but it's not usually tied directly to specific service jobs. Mobile accessibility. Jobber is typically designed with mobile-first in mind, offering mobile apps for technicians in the field to access schedules, job details, and create invoices. While QuickBooks has mobile apps, they are primarily focused on financial management tasks. Reporting. Both platforms offer reporting capabilities, but the types of reports differ. QuickBooks focuses on financial reports like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Jobber provides operational reports such as job completion rates, technician productivity, and sales performance. Think of it this way. QuickBooks is your financial command center. It tells you how much money is coming in, how much is going out, and the overall financial health of your business. Jobber is your operations hub. It helps you manage the day-to-day tasks of running your service business, ensuring that jobs are scheduled efficiently, completed effectively, and billed accurately. Do you need both? For many field service businesses, the answer is a resounding yes. Using both platforms in tandem provides a powerful combination. The operational efficiency of Jobber with the financial rigor of QuickBooks. This integration streamlines workflows, reduces administrative overhead, and gives you a comprehensive view of your business from both an operational and financial perspective. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.